Glow Scout outside, man. It's fucking 2-something. You know how to vlog the streets of Boston. It's fucking raining and shit. Little slippery. Just a slippery. Still make noise too. Stop playing with your boy. That little POV vlog. Out sickety sidey. The cops are outside. Yeah, they always outside. Everything always happens at this time of the fucking morning. Niggas either walking home, niggas is outside, niggas is shooting, niggas is fighting, niggas is stabbed. Just gotta be safe and stay on dogs. I wasn't gonna say stay dangerous, but I'm gonna say be safe and stay on dogs. Stay safe. You dig? Yo, dead dogs, man. I've been passing red lights and shit. The cops be poking out, too. Don't act like they sleep, nigga. They outside. Make a little noisy noise. You know, straight dolly, man. Straight dolly, man. I have to give y'all POV what's going on this weather. Straight like that, my boy. Nah, but just chilling though. I just want to hit y'all with this little quick POV vloggy. City of Boston, man. You know I'll be coming, man. I was just outside, just robbing the streets. You might can't see shit because it's raining. Gotta give y'all a little vloggy, man. I got the fucking light on and shit, so I can't. Like I'm on the phone. We got the snacks. Shit, damn. I just got an oil change too. My shit, man, after that trip, nigga, my shit was fucking 1% of oil. I was like, damn. That shit's wrecked. I'm like, okay, time to get some oil. You see that shit? Again, look at that clip, man. Look at that, man. You know, see that? That's how people get set up. See that? Ever press that shit, man? The car come behind. Put your foot on the motherfucking gas. Slowly. I'm about to take off. These be popping up. Everybody be popping up. You can do one thing, my nigga. Just take your time getting home. Feel me? Haters go hate. Nigga, haters go hate. See that? These right there. The cops right there too. Oh, dog. It don't even matter though. Just gotta drive normal. The cops behind you, nigga, don't panic. Nigga, fucking panic. Don't be no bitch now. Just be cooler. Be cooler than the cooler. But shout out to them drove. Like why Jizzle said, nigga, we ain't not scat. Is my lights on? I'm about to say, nigga, what the fuck? Lady ain't on me. But yeah, that's the POV drive, man. Y'all stay safe, man. Stay on dogs. On dogs. Green light. You know the vibe.